Did you know that 30 minutes of exercise daily can make you feel energetic and on top of the world? Imagine this: the sun rising slowly and its light coming through the window, warm and gentle, heralding a new day. At the same time, you're up and ready for it, full of vitality and focus, ready to embrace the day. It's not a dream, it's the truth of what you could do by working a morning exercise routine into your life. Just 30 minutes a day will transform your energy level, mindset, and life. This may sound demanding, especially when your cozy bed looks super inviting. It may not be easy, but it's worth it. So, what's the big deal with difficulty fitting into an exercise routine? Too many times, we are trapped in our excuses and obstacles. We are aware that exercising is beneficial. Yet, a hectic way of life, family responsibilities, and lack of energy become giant roadblocks in our path toward leading healthier lives. Neglect of physical activity may result in disastrous consequences. It puts in extra stress, unwanted weight, and a feeling overwhelmed with everything. It may also lead to such health issues as heart disease, diabetes, and obesity. Though these are severe conditions, the good thing is that they can be prevented. One of the best ways to break this vicious cycle is to introduce morning exercise into your daily routine. It is a natural mood booster and gives you the oomph to face the daily challenges. This leads to better sleep at night, which is also part and parcel of well-being. But how do you initiate a morning exercise routine? Just take small, manageable steps. The first would be to adjust your wake-up time slowly. Instead of a significant change, set the alarm clock 15 minutes before the average wake-up time. It may be perceived as a small step, but a potent starting point. Then, get prepared the night before. Lay out your workout clothes and have your water bottle ready. This simple task of planning could save you some precious morning time and do away with those potential excuses. The third is to prepare an enticing environment. Play your favorite music and preset that coffee to start brewing as you wake up. These small pleasures make the process of waking up early more enjoyable. Finally, strive for consistency. Try to work out at the same time every day. This helps cement your exercise routine as part of the daily program, making it a part of your life rather than an optional extra. The incorporation of morning exercise in life will lead to a positive transformation. It can enhance your health, boost your happiness, and increase productivity. These are benefits that can ripple out into every aspect of your life. So why delay? Get up 15 minutes earlier tomorrow and set out your exercise clothes tonight. Every small step adds to a healthier, happier, and more energetic one.